how to perform the TwinSensor room temperature test. The TwinSensor room temperature test for two strains of antibiotics, namely beta-lactam and tetracycline. The composition of the kits. Each kit contains 12 tubes, 12 tubes, each containing 8 dipsticks and 8 microvalves. One micro pipette and 96 tips. With one empty tray of microvalve. Before starting with the test, read the instructions. Choose a clean and dry place to perform the test. Wash and dry your hands. Take out one tube of the kit in the fridge. Wait until the temperature reaches room temperature. Use the stopwatch to count down time. How to do the test. Open a tube and take out as many microvalves as there are milk samples to be tested. Empty one tube before opening another. Identify your milk samples with a number 1 and 2. Carefully remove the protecting film and don't remove the film from the unused microvalves. Place each microvalve in the empty tray . For each sample, use a new disposable tip on the micropipette. Carefully shake your milk sample for an even mixture and transfer 200 ml into your milk sample and mix quickly as possible. Press start on your stopwatch and your first 4-minute incubation time started. Please note, when the reagent and milk are in contact, the reaction starts. Make sure the time for sample preparation and handling is minimal. During your first 4-minute incubation, take as many dipsticks as there are microvalves. close the tube and be sure it is tightly sealed. After the first 4 minutes, immediately put your dipsticks into the microwaves and press resume. Your second 6-minute incubation time starts. After your 6 minutes are over, remove each dipstick out of the microwave. Immediately remove the cotton pad without damaging the central membranes. You can clearly see all the lines appeared. The middle line is the control line. If that is visible, your test is valid. The top line is your tetracycline line. Your bottom line is your beta-lactam line. If the lines are not straight, if it is blurred or uneven, the test is invalid. If the test is valid, examine one test line at a time. The bottom line with your control line. The color intensity is sharper than the control line, meaning that your result is negative. There is no antibiotics in your test. Compare your top line with your control line. Your test line is color intensity is much sharper than your control line, also indicating that your test is negative. The dry dipstick can now be archived as a permanent record. With your second test, if the test line color intensity is similar, lighter or absent compared to your control line, the result is positive. In this case, there is no test line visible, which is a definite positive result.